嘿，大家好，我是石老师。今天我们要学11个很有用的字。我们第一个字呢，金，金。Today, this year, right now, we've seen this character plenty, so we don't need more explanation, I think. 金。Next, 冷，冷。Cold. The two little dots on the side indicate the meaning. That's an ice radical. And it sounds exactly like your lungs. Lung. Last for this set, lean. Lean. Just like to lean on me. This character means neighboring and will be used for the word neighbors because, your neighbors lean on you for support. Lean. Our next character. 左. 左. This character will be used to say yesterday. 昨天. 昨. Next. 坐. 坐. Same, but with a falling tone. This character means works. So we'll use this to say things literally like my job, my work, but also to say like works of art or works of writing. 坐. And last for this set, 怎. 怎. This will never be spoken by itself, but it's how we say how. Usually 怎么. How. How do you do that? How do you say that? Etc. 怎. Now our last set of 3 here. We first have 做. 做. To do or to make. We've seen this a bunch. You can make something physical, make food with 做. You can also 做 your job. Again, 做. 后. 后. This character will mean kind of like time, at the time of something. We're going to save any more explanation for our vocabulary and our grammar. 后. And lastly in this set, 假. A lot like house, falling. 假. This character, when pronounced with a falling tone, means vacation. To take a vacation. However, when we pronounce it with a dip, 假, it actually means fake. Is this thing fake? 这是假的吗? 假 and 假. Again, falling tone, vacation, dipping tone, fake. Now we have 2 extra characters. First, 居. 居. This character means resident. And we've seen this before in 电视剧, a TV drama. 居. And lastly, 业. Yeah. Like also with a falling tone. This character means occupation, one's line of business. Yeah. That is all for our characters. 今天第一个词今天 today. 今天今年 this year. 今年邻居 neighbor, the neighboring resident. 邻居昨天 yesterday. 昨天放假 to go on vacation, literally to put down a vacation. 放假假的 fake. 假的 And note that'll come before like a noun of some kind. 假的人, fake people. Next. 作业, homework, in the context of school. The works of your occupation. Well, if you're a student, homework. 作业, 作家, a writer. 作 has another kind of functional meaning for it, which is to write, or rather, written works. So a 作家 is a person who is very prolific in writing. 作家, 工作, one's job, the labor works that one produces. 工作, 怎么, how, 怎么, 冷水, cold water. 冷水. This one's a little important. If you're ever in China, here in the States, we're used to cold water and ice water. But in China, people drink hot water. That's probably the most standard. If you ask for water, you're going to get some piping hot water that's going to scald your mouth. So if you want cold water, you'll have to ask for 冷水. Now, these next two are important. 什么时候? What time? This is how we ask when in Mandarin. This is the go-to general phrase for when. 什么时候? And this last one, 的时候. This means while or during. And there's a kind of particular way that it works in the Chinese grammar system. We'll say that like an event happens 的时候, and that is how we say while the event is happening. We'll see more of this in our grammar and sentences. So again, while 的时候. That is all for our words. 在今天的语法和句子中，我们要学两个对话。In today's grammar and sentences, we're going to learn two dialogues. In our first dialogue, 第一个对话, we have a student asking a teacher, how do I write a character? And the teacher launches into a full explanation. So let's check it out. 老师，怎么写拿？哪个拿？拿起来的拿。上面有一个和，下面有一个手。不好意思，老师，怎么写和？没问题。上面有人，中间有一，下面有口。Let's go through that again. 老师，怎么写拿？Teacher, how do I write 拿？怎么 functions exactly like English, right before the verb, and it serves as our question word. So note, we don't put a ma or anything here. 怎么 is our question. And the teacher's confused, so he asks, 哪个拿? Which na? Because we all know there are so many homophones in Mandarin. 哪个拿? 拿起来的拿. Pick up 的拿. The na from pick up. This is actually a super common conversation that you will hear, especially between foreign language learners and Mandarin speakers, but even amongst Mandarin speakers. There are so many homophones that we often have to specify the character that we're talking about if confusion happens. The easiest way to do that is to take a word or common phrase and reference the character. 拿起来 means to pick up. Everyone knows this phrase. So if you say 拿起来的拿, 拿起来's, the na of 拿起来, there will be no confusion about which na you mean. So again, the na from to pick up, from 拿起来。啊，上面有一个河。啊 on top we have a 河，下面有一个手。On the bottom we have a 手 a hand. 不好意思，老师，怎么写河？Sorry, teacher, how do I write 河？没问题 no problem. 上面有人 on top there is a person. 中间有一 in the middle there is an e, and 下面有口 at the bottom there is a 口. Super straightforward. This is how we can kind of describe the construction of characters. And if you're ever confused about a character that someone's saying, even if you've asked 你说了什么 or 我不明白, you can often clarify it by asking 哪个 and then the character, like they did in this dialogue. Now let's look at our second dialogue. Here we have two classmates who are about to go on vacation, and they're kind of talking about, well, we still have homework to do. Let's see how the dialogue plays out. 下个星期要放假了。对，可是放假的时候，老师还给我们作业。哦，对了，嘿，放假的时候要不要一起做作业？嘿，可以啊。如果我们一起做作业，那么会做得很快。Let's hit that again. Pay special attention to the usage of 的时候, meaning while or at the time of. 下个星期要放假了. Next week, we will go on vacation. 放假了. No, le, not future tense. It means this thing will happen or will finish or will begin in this case. Next week, we will have started vacation. 对 Yeah. 可是放假的时候，老师还给我们作业。So yeah. However, 可是 during our vacation, 放假的时候 during vacation, teacher is still going to give us homework. 老师还给我们作业。老师 still gives us homework. 还给我们作业。哦，对了。Oh, that's right. 对了 is kind of like, oh, that's right. Oh, I recall now. 放假的时候，要不要一起做作业？放假的时候 same phrase. During vacation, 要不要一起做作业？ Want or not want to, together do our homework. 一起, we learned in the last class, means to do something together. And it'll come right before the verb. 一起做作业. So, during vacation, do you want to do homework with me? Do you want to do it together? And our last line, 可以. Yeah, awesome, totally, yeah. 如果我们一起做作业，那么会做得很快。If we do homework together, 如果 if 一起做 do together. If we do our homework together, then 那么 then we can do it very quickly. 会做得很快 will do 很快 quickly. Remember there the 的 between a verb and something like 很快, an adjective, says that the outcome of the verb will be this. The outcome will be quick. The outcome will be we do it quick. It's a little different from an adverb, but similar. 做得很快, to do quickly. Take the time to review the dialogue again. As always, try to commit as much of it to memory as you can. And again, focus on listening. You'll be speaking these in class, and listening is more helpful than reading off of your screen. 大家, that's all I have for you for today. Take the time to review, and as always, 加油!